Hey Nick, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. Um, all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. If you want to reply to the email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, let's jump right in. So typically I would be showing you your website and showing you the three main things that you can do to start ranking in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And I know that they're being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's over 600 people searching for a painting contractor in Richmond each month. So that being said, though, this is your website. This is the one that I have on file. So I don't know if this is the wrong one, but it's not really showing up. So I'm just going to take your short pump painters, and that's your number one competitor online, and just kind of break down their website to show you how easy it would be to outrank them. So the first thing is content on your homepage. And so if we just copy all of their stuff here, including the images and how they're saved, we throw it into this word counter, shows me that they have right over 300 words on their homepage. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the more content that you have, the bigger their website, the more website content that you have, the bigger their platform gets. And so by doing so, they're going to rank you for whatever your content is relevant to if you meet that standard. So by having that 1,500 to 2,000 words and then targeting these exact match keywords that your customers are searching for, that's going to beat out your competitor, meet Google's requirement, and then they can start ranking you for the exact words that your customers are searching. The next thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. And really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take their URL here and throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of their website. And that's 544 backlinks coming from 119 websites. So obviously there's a lot going on right here in the back end. However, because there's so many backlinks coming from just a few websites, that's kind of out of proportion. And that means that a lot of these websites are passing a bunch of spammy links, and that's not good. As you can see here, this is Google's trust rating, and they don't really trust as many links as there should be. And that's because a lot of them are on spammy websites. So just so that you have a visual representation of what a backlink looks like, it's just like this, where it links to your homepage. However, you would want this on a painting blog post or a home improvement website. That way it's passing relevant power. Because these are out of proportion on your competitor sites, that's a good thing for us because that means that we can get a better health rating with fewer and just more quality links. So the third and final thing I wanted to show you was citations. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or Facebook. And really just anywhere that you can get your name, address, and phone number together in a directory is going to verify that you are a real business with a real physical address and that you're not just another website out there on the internet. Once Google verifies that and you have more citations than these three, then you're going to be able to rank in this map pack. And the reason that's so important is because these three here get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here. So of course 25% more clicks means 25% more calls, which is 25% more business each month coming in. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. I really appreciate your time, and all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback from the video. You can either reply to this email or, like I said, give me a phone call at 850-838 6092. Thanks, Nick, and we'll talk to you soon.